my channel. So I am very excited for this video because I am doing a haul of clothing and I can't believe I have so many stuffs from Myntra that I got, and I still have a few left. I bought two more things from Myntra which haven't arrived yet, but I couldn't wait more to shoot this video because obviously it's really a long time. So during the month of June, around 23rd, a sale started on Myntra. That is the EORS, that is the end of reason sale, and I literally got like 15 items from there, and I'm shook right now that I really got so many things. I did not even count first, but now I have a huge haul. So yeah, if you want to see, yeah, these are the things which I got, and there are many more. I just showed you a few packets, but yeah, now let's get started. If I talk, this video is going to be very long. So yeah, so without any further ado, let's get started with this video. So the first thing that I got is this one. This is a kurta. So I will post all the screenshots here. So this is the kurta that I got, and it's like a gingham type of a print, which is very pretty, and it has like this detail, a crisscross type of a detail with a latkan type of thing. I really like how classy this looks. It's very like quirky. It's not like normal plain kurtas we wear. It also has like bell sleeves and those latkan type thing, and I really like it. It's also a very good quality. It is from Libas. Yes, it's from Libas, and it actually costed for rupees 12.99, but I think I got it for around 550 or something like that, and I think it's a very good deal, like literally more than 50% off I got on this kurta, and I'm really happy I got. The next thing that I got is actually my mom's, is this one. Actually, firstly we ordered this one, but what happened when it came, the buttons were not there, and one button was there. My mom just opened the packet and that button just fell off from the packet, and then I went to check Myntra. I couldn't find the size of my mom's, so I had to return that, and after returning we got this one. So this is the kurta that my mom ordered. Lighting will fluctuate a bit because it's a very light colored cloth. So this is how the kurta looks like. It's really long. It also has like a tie-up thing like this in front, which is very nice. I really like the print of it. It's very different and like Indianish, which is very nice. The quality is again very nice. It's from a company called Varanga, if I'm pronouncing it right, and it's actually 4 rupees. I don't know. Okay, the price is not written here. I will post the screenshot right here and you guys can see. I guess I got this for around 700 as far as I think, and it is a very good quality. It's very plain, it's very basic, but I think plains look really classy, so we got this. The next thing that I got is actually not from the sale. I got this previously when the lockdown did not start, and it's like a crop top. I really like it. It is from Sassafras, the very famous company of Myntra, and I really like this thing on the waist or whatever you call the side of the body, and I really like it, and I really like this color. I am fond of maroon color really, and I got this back when lockdown did not start, and then lockdown started, so I didn't receive it actually. So I got this in the size S, and it's for rupees 899. I really don't remember the price of this, but I'll just put a screenshot, you guys can see. The next thing is my favorite out of the whole lot. It is this top from Dressberry. I love the sleeve of it, and it's like some detailed thing, I don't know what to call it, which is very quirky and very different. I really don't have anything like this, and it's plain basic thing, but this is my favorite. And there's another favorite I'll show you guys, and this is from Dressberry. It's in the size S, which is a bit loose because they don't have XS. It's for rupees 799, but I remember I got it for rupees 319, and yeah, I guess it's a very good deal. 319 mein acha top milna is like. The next thing I got is this one. This is also my mom. This is not mine. I really like this, and I thought I would also buy this one in my size, but unfortunately they did not have it. But it's very nice. Like the quality, everything is very nice. It's very long, and I really like this detail, everything on the chest area and even on the end of the sleeve. And it is also from Libas. This is for rupees 15.99, and I think I got this for rupees 500 or 600. I really like Libas ke kurte. They are very well made and they are of a very good quality as well. So we got this. This is another thing that we got. It's a very pretty color. You guys can see. It's a very pretty color, and I was searching this actually in my size, but they did not have it. So my mom thought to buy this for herself, and it's for rupees 13.99, and it's really nice. There were some discounts. I'll post the picture, and it's very nice. I really like the length of it. It's not too big, it's not too short. It's actually the perfect length, and it's from Here and Now, which is a very favorite company of mine. I have a lot of tops and a lot of kurtas from Here and Now. It's very good for summer and around this time. So yeah, I think my mom would look really pretty. The next thing I got is this jeans. I really like this jeans. I wore this jeans in my last video. If you haven't watched the video, please go. I will link it here or in the description box below. Please go and check it out. So yeah, this is the jeans. It's very nice. I am in love with the quality of the jeans, and I guarantee I'm gonna buy more from this company. It's the Miss Chase company, and I have seen a lot of ads going on in Myntra for this brand, and I have been eyeing on this brand for a really long time, but I was a bit skeptical because इनके जो price ranges थे from the starting, they were like very high. When I first checked it before the sale, it was like 1500 and 1600. So I thought, should I even buy something for like 1600, and then if it's not good, if it's not worth the money, then my money is just gonna go in vain. So then I waited for the sale, and then the sale happened and I got this jeans. But trust me, इसके लिए तो मैं 1500 भी दे दूंगी. It's so nice. It is of the company I said, Miss Chase, and it is actually for rupees 1949. It has like shredded ends, and here's a cut in the knee here, which is also very nice. I really like the quality of the jeans, and I'm gonna really wear it a lot. The next thing I got is actually for a friend. I got this shirt for my friend, and it's this. I really like the print. It's like सारे जगह पे लिखा है Express Explore. I really like it. It's very different, and I really like these type of things where it's like quirky and different. So yeah, this is like a favorite of mine. So I got this for him, and I think he'll also like it. So yeah. The next thing my mother got is this kurta. The quality of all the kurtas from Myntra are really good. This is of cotton again, and it's from the company Jaipur Kurti, which is actually a very famous brand, and it's in the size XL, and it's for rupees 16.99, and I think we got this for rupees 500 or 600. So literally 1000 rupees off एक kurte में is like a lot. It's like a really long length, and the quality is again very good. It's like stripes made of grey, and it has buttons in front, and I really like how detailed they have been. Just see the button के सामने they have just made these kind of patterns, which is very nice. They've taken so many efforts just to make this plain kurta look so beautiful. So I really like it, and my mother also like it, and I think I'm gonna borrow this from her and wear in one of the videos. The next thing which I got is actually a top. This actually my mom saw, and मम्मी ने बोला कि ले ले तुझे बहुत अच्छा लगेगा, तो I got this. It's actually a wraparound top, and I can't show you exactly how it looks. I'm gonna post a picture right here, and you guys can see. It's like a very long sleeve, but there's a slit here, so arm दिखेंगे आपके. And I really like the color of it. It's not like exactly a blue color. It's like a grayish bluish color. This is from Sassafras, I guess so, yes. And I really like this company. It's for rupees 12.99, and I really like it. It's a very long, and ये है, इससे हम लोग tie करेंगे. So this was the top. The last thing that I got is my favorite kurta. which I have been eyeing for really a long time, and I love this kurta. It's in the size M and it's for rupees 14.99, and which has this type of a neck, and it has like wooden buttons, you guys can see, and it has a slit from the middle. So if you wear some jeans or some high-waisted pants, it would look really nice. And I really like how simple yet so elegant it is, and this is like my favorite, and I'm waiting to wear this on puja only. I'm not gonna wear before that, and I really like this kurta. And it's from the brand Anok by Myntra. It's a company of Myntra, and it's a very good kurta. I also got two things from Myntra which are from the essential category. So this is actually a lipstick which I've been wanting for really long time, but it was for rupees 500, so I was like choro nahi kharidna, leave it. But then I saw on Myntra that it was on a very cheap price. It was for rupees 299, and I was like 200 रुपए ऑफ मिल रहे, चलो ले लेते हैं. So मैंने ये ले लिया, and it is a very nice formula. It's a very lightweight. You will feel as if you're not wearing anything on the lips. So yeah, this is the color. It's a brownish pinkish color, but on the warmer side more obviously. But I really like it. It complements my skin so nicely, and I think if I get done with this bottle, I'm gonna buy again because I really like it. The next thing is from skincare, because obviously I love skincare. This is from Plum. It's an alcohol-free toner which I've already seen me using in my video, in my morning skincare routine. So I used to have this Plum का toner बहुत पहले, मतलब मैंने जब पहले खरीदा था, I was in class 12. So then I got over with it, and then I did not go and buy this because it was out of stock. And then I got the face mist, and then I was thinking मुझे ये फिर से try करना है because बहुत दिन हो गए I have not used it. So then I again got it, and I really like this. It is such a great product. अगर आपकी skin में texture हो ना, this toner is like a magical. It will work wonders on your skin. It will just make your skin very fresh. And it also absorbs all the excess oil your face has, and also it nourishes your skin a lot. So I absolutely love it. So we are done with all the Myntra thing, but I just want to show you guys something. Okay, so I'm very happy what happened. Actually, I'm a teacher. I teach students. So I was saving for this, and Zara में sale लगी थी, तो मुझे तो कुछ चाहिए था obviously. So I was like मुझे खरीदना है. Actually I don't buy high-end products much because I think it's like a waste of money. If I can have a very good product in a cheaper rate, I think that's way better than investing in something very high-end, and maybe the quality will be the same as the rest, as the cheaper one. Not the cheaper, I mean less than those one. But Zara is Zara. I always want to buy Zara, always. I do have things from Forever 21, but I never ever tried Zara because obviously Zara के range ही start होते like 3000 से, so please नहीं होगा. But then I saw this sale and I had to buy something. So I got something from Zara. This is the first time I have ever bought from Zara, and I'm so proud of myself, literally. I could have never thought. And I got this by my own, with my own money. So I'm very happy about that. So this is the parcel I received, and I got a top which I have worn in my last video. And yeah, so this is how they came. They have very nicely wrapped it. So I got this top from Zara and I absolutely love it. This is like my favorite top in my whole cupboard. I love this top. It has such great neck के details. मुझे बहुत पसंद आई ये वाला part. And this is how the front part looks like. It's so pretty, and ये बहुत अच्छे से fit होता है मुझे. Though it's a bit loose around the waist, but ये उतना भी loose नहीं है. ये अच्छे से fit हो जाता है मुझे. And I really like the texture of it. It's not like plain normal top. It has some textures on it, like a ribbed material, which is so good. And this was actually for rupees 1590, which is obviously a lot for a top. But I got this for rupees 790, which is like पूरे 1000 रुपये का ऑफ मिला मुझे एंड मुझे बहुत बहुत पसंद है ये टॉप. एक्चुअली आई ऑलवेज वांटेड टू बाय Zara, so this is a very different feeling for me, so I wanted to share this with you guys. And yeah, that was all I got. So yeah guys, that was it for this video. I think it was a really long video because I got really a lot of things and I really think you guys liked it. And if you really like this video, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. You can also follow me on Instagram because I'm super active there. And if you're seeing this face for the very first time, please check all the videos down below. I know you will love them. They are very interesting. I have tried out many different things and I make videos about beauty, lifestyle and fashion. And press the bell icon so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. And also press the subscribe button guys, please. और मुझे बहुत ही खुशी हो रही है कि I crossed 400 subscribers. That is a lot for me. Thank you guys for subscribing to my channel. And yeah, we'll meet each other the next time. Bye.